You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of these mountains located in Saint Lucia. If you want to learn how to pronounce Saint Lucia actually correctly, make sure to stay tuned. I've got many more videos. So originally the name comes from French, in French Creole. In French it's pronounced Piton, Piton, but now it's usually pronounced in English and pronounced the Pitons. Pitons is how it's pronounced, the Pitons. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.